So basically I'm wearing my Nike F1s. I'm wearing gray sweatpants, oh my gosh, and I'm wearing this white t-shirt I got from the Vix. I'm also wearing this necklace I got from a friend as a gift. She bought it at Lovisa, so if you want yours you can go get it. That's if they still there though. So guys, this is what I packed, and the bag is full, I know, but like, yeah, there's toiletries and my clothes inside there. So yeah, you know guys, it can be really hard choosing clothes, so this is why I took like 15 million clothes. Okay, so guys, I'm done packing everything like in my suitcase. Oh, and I'm also done packing in my toiletry bag along with my sister, because we're going to the same place anyway. Okay, so guys, now we are on our way out. See you there.
Try to keep me 5 mile water. I lay that down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me playing golf. A lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim this collar. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely skin never thinks I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a little, she a model. I got the key slip off my whip, list. Cause I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, lighter, forgetting out the coupe at the lot. 12 bucks swat, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a leaf with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn bill, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills, we been trapping like the 80s. She said that nigga so, got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no, 6 slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out, and stealing with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. To the forest with the wood in the mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I don't wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling clean like I lived this strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she think a Chris. Shawty call me Chris, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud. There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah. When I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, got the coupe in the lot. Order for a 12 bucks swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a leaf with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn bill, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so.
So guys, I've packed all the stuff I have in the cupboard, and I also we also packed our shirts, our gowns, our shoes, and they also have blankets for us. So guys, you don't have to bring your tissue, you don't have to bring your blankets. They have like blankets, tissues, and 2 extra pillows. They have lamps, and they work, guys. And they also have, so this is the bathroom. And as you guys can see, they have the basin, they have the shower, and guys, it's clean, eh? They have the toilet, they have a bin, you know, yeah. And guys, the dining room, it has a TV, and they will give you like manuals and instructions on how to like use them. They have a Wi-Fi, they have 2 chairs which will accommodate me and my sister, or my sister and I, because guys, we are the only ones in here. So here, I don't want to go outside because it's very windy and it's scary there by the hills or whatever. But here it's a place where you can chill. They have a bin, they have a braai stand, they have mops and all the cleaning appliances that you need. And we just bought food, pies and stuff to eat. Guys, they do have like things that you need, guys, here. They have like coffee, rice, sugar, what. And guys, look at the kettle. I mean, what? Like, They have guys, let me just stop talking, because wow, this place is just, yeah guys, like, see guys, I told you, look, they have spices, they have, guys, I mean, yeah, they just don't have eggs. They have glasses. Okay, these are ours. They have medicine for in case you have a headache. You don't have to call people and ask them, oh my gosh, where can I find the medicine? Why taking it? Guys, need to go in a dishwasher. Like, so yeah, guys, I think that's all you needed to see. I look really tired, I know. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna take off my clothes. Like, besides taking off my clothes, like, I'm tired, guys. Like, I'm really tired. I'm gonna wear my PJs, my whatever. I just put the light like that, and it gives me lighting because I don't have a ring light. I don't have anything. Like, I didn't come with equipment, so I have to use this lamp. And I have to make sure that it doesn't break. I have all this plastic, like literally. This thing is painful. It's painful. Like, I am tired. I'm tired of taking this thing out of my face. Like, it hurts. So guys, I'm gonna use the turmeric clay face mask and the Porsche Am for my face, since I had that peel off mask on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this like little time of coming to this place. Until next time, guys. Peace.